Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create burning text effect in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First of all, take a black video in the project. Keep the default settings, that means 1920 by 1080 pixel. Then drag the black video to the timeline. Keep it to the V3 video layer. Then go to Effects tab, search Circle, and drag the circle effect to the black video. And again search Turbulent Displace. Drag it to the black video also. Then, go to Effect Control tab. Go to Circle Effect option. Increase the radius until the white circle fill up the entire screen. Now, set keyframe to radius from 0% to your present value, from first frame to the last frame. Then go to Turbulent Displace option. Increase the value of amount at 300, complexity at 10, evolution at 50 degrees. Now, take a text file, which you want to apply the burn effect. You can write any text here. I'm writing metaphor, for example. Then scale the text according your need or screen size and keep the alignment of the text in the middle of the screen. Then, drag the text layer to the V2 video layer, and search Track Matte Key from the Effects tab, and drag the effect to the text layer. Go to Effects Control of Track Matte Key, change the matte option to Video 3. Give a tick or enable reverse option. You can see the text is resolving by burning effect. Now, duplicate the black video layer. Apply Gaussian blur in it. Go to Effect Control tab, set the blur value at 90. Now select the text layer from Timeline. At Effect Control tab, duplicate the Track Matte Key effect. At Duplicated Effect, change Matte Mode to Video 4. Then, duplicate the black video twice in the timeline. From Effects tab, search Invert and drag it into the top black video layer. Now decrease the scale of the top black video layer slightly, so that the background white layer effect can be visible. Now, select the new two black video layer you duplicated earlier, pre-compose them, rename as you wish. Now, duplicate the text layer and drag it to the bottom layer. Go to Effects Control tab, change the color of the text in Fill option, and keep it as orange or something like that. And remove the second Track Matte Key effect of the text layer. Change the first Track Matte Key's matte option to Video 5. And change Composite using Mode option to Matte Illuma. Then disable the reverse option. You can see the updated effect by playing the project. Then, you need to use a Fireflames video file. You can use any video, but you have to make sure the video background should be black. Drag the video into the timeline and sequence. Change the blend mode to screen of the Fireflame video. The black background will be gone. Now, go to Opacity and take Circle Mask in it. Draw the circle mask in the video screen. Keep the size of the mask as same size of text like this. Then, increase the mask feather to 100. Now, take Keyframe in the mask path. Keep the present mask size and set a keyframe as ending keyframe. And at the starting keyframe, narrow the mask size as small as possible like this. You'll see the Fireflames is animating by increasing the opacity from smaller size to text size smoothly. Now, you can decrease the opacity to keep vanishing from the point where the text is gone in the ending keyframe. Use that as starting keyframe of opacity, and at 1 second layer, set the ending keyframe of the opacity. You'll see the Fireflame effect is done smoothly. Now additionally, you can add Fireflame Sound FX for more realistic effects. Drag the Sound FX audio file to the sequence and match the point where the fire burning starts. That's it. You can see the effects is more realistic. That's how you create burning text effect in Premiere Pro smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.